मॅम दिसत होते आता परत गेली.
आता दिसतंय ना बघ.
हो दिसते.
ठीक आहे.
हा दिसते.
ओके. All participant is not joined. Write down the attendance again in chat box. Wait 5 minutes for all students and then start lecture. All students write down the attendance on your chat box. Convey to all students, join the meeting again. Okay, let me start the first chapter of robotics. Fundamental of robotics. The chapter title is Fundamental of Robotics. What is the robotics? Robotics is the intersection of science, engineering, and technology that produce the machines called as the robot. That subtitle is Human Action. Robotics is the branch of engineering that involves the concept, design, manufacture, and operation of robotics. And some application are in robotics like a visualization. Robotics can what is the robot can mean an automatic industrial machine replace a human in the work. रोबोटिक्स की जो डेफिनेशन बताई थी मैंने, रोबोटिक्स, व्हाट इज द रोबोटिक्स? रोबोटिक्स इज द ब्रांच ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग दैट इन्वॉल्व्स द कंसेप्ट ऑफ डिजाइनिंग, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, ऑपरेशन and all are the robotics part. The automatic mobile swapper machine at a modern home, an automatic toy car for a child to play with, robotics or any small design, a machine removing mines in a where field all by itself, and many more. Robotics, it is a field of engineering that covers the the human behavior. Robotics includes the knowledge of mechanical, electronics, electrical, and computer science engineering. Robotics divide in two parts. First part is the autonomous and second part is a manual. What is the autonomous? Autonomous are mainly used in industrial area, whereas the remote control robots are used in environment that are the restricted for human beings. What is the autonomous? Autonomous is the used in industrial area. They are remote control robot used in environment that restricted in human beings. And second one is the manual. The manual is control robots are widely used in handling goods and also in transportation. This is the difference between these two, autonomous and manual robot. In the number of fields in robots, first one is the control, second one is the vision, next one is the machines like electrical and AI and IT fields. These all are the fields included in robots. Next one is the service robot. The service robots are used to for any station and car. Service robots, they are a number of type of service robots. They are used in industry and any air force area. Next one is the community of micro robots. Next one is the toy. This toy is the new robot technology is making the interested type of toy. that child will play the with which we become available store from they are continuously they are continuously share with all member and all member is play with toy, all child are play with toy, number of type of toy is available. Next one is the next first part is the definition of toy. Machine that can be replaced man regard to the physical work and decision making capabilities are categorized as a robots and their study as a robotics as reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator and mechanical device designed to manipulation physical object for perform a variable task. This is the definition put forward by robotics industries and associated association that's like a RIA of America. The robotics we have already discussed what is robotics, why robotics. Robotics is used of like a speed. It can be work in hard work and dangerous environment. All type of environment robot are used to perform the repetitive task like you have to for example some toy you have to repeatedly play and stop repeatedly task is performed using by robots efficiency accuracy and adaptability. The advantages of robotics revolution in medical science and healthcare system, new and widely scope of education training, a good help in nuclear industry, use the term play the role of an efficient assistant in research and development science, can very well handle in houseland business. The advantages of robots, it is disable or not? Advantages are used to repetitive action or jobs, perform the variety of tasks, improve in quality, increase in production. The number of advantages they are in robotics and disadvantages is expensive, no guarantee, safety and expertise. The number of advantages and disadvantages of robotics, the generation of robotics, the generation of robotics. First generation repeating the non-servo pick and place. Second generation sensing device are added to. In the first generation of robotics only added the 3 or 4 concept. First one is the repeating, second one is the non-servo, next one is the pick and next one is the replace. Okay, again start. Okay, screen is visible. Screen is visible, Snehal?
Yes, ma'am. आता दिसते screen.
Okay. In generation of robotic, first generation they have to read the repeating, non-servo and peak. Second generation sensing device are added like we have to motion, some movement they are added in second generation. Third generation incorporating human-like intelligence, that some AI artificial intelligence type some movements are added in third generation. And the fourth generation all advanced technology and advance are added in fourth generation. Next one is the robot component. In robot component, first one is the manipulator or rover. In manipulator or rover, main body of robot like a link, joint, other structure element of the robot. In the next PPT, I have discuss the structure of robot in next PPT. First, only the introduction of component, advantages, disadvantages, and generation. The next one is the end effector. The part of that is the connected to the last joint, that's called the end effector of manipulator. Next one is the actuator. It is the some muscles of manipulator, servo motor, stepper motor. These all are the actuators. Next one is the sensor. Sensor to collect the information about the internal state of the robot to communicate with outside environment. Which is the use of sensor? They are collect the information about the outside of environment communication. And next one is the manipulation. Manipulation is divided in three parts. First one is the mechanical gripper, second is the vacuum gripper, and third one is the general purpose effector. The manipulation is the which must work in real world, required some way to manipulate object like pick up, modify, and destroy, or otherwise have an effect. They have pick up, modify, and destroy. The modify means you have to any problem to work in a robot, regular robot, then modify the some coding and some part of the robot. Next one is the destroy. We have to end of the robot, that like a destroy. Some like picture of robot. Next one is the legs of the robot, then head. All are the structure to discuss in the robot. The structure of robot is usually mostly mechanical, can call the kinematic chain. The chain is formed of link. It is bones, actuator like muscles, and joint which can be allow one or more degree of freedom. See the diagram picture of robots joints. First one is the joint, and join 1, join 2, link. These all are the, and it is the, this part is called the end arm. This part is called the end arm of the robot. Then first one is the actuator. What is the actuator? Actuator are the muscles of a robot. Actuator are the muscles of robot. The part which convert, store energy into movement. The movement popular actuator are the इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर. कशाच्या थ्रू ऍक्च्युएटरचा पार्ट मूव्ह होतो किंवा कशाच्या थ्रू ते ऍक्शन परफॉर्म करतात, लाईक अ इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर. नेक्स्ट वन इज द सर्वो मोटर, used to close the loop of control system in which work is to control the variable. For example, an integral feedback device, encoder and touch motor are either incorporated with the servo motor or remotely mounted after on the load of itself. Servo motor is the best example of toy. Any car and any doll, you have to use the servo motor to action to perform this loop. First will hand is side and close the hand. These all movements are used using the servo motor. And next one is the stepper motor. Stepper motor is used for measure the rotation, like you have to degree 100 degree, 90 degree, 80 degree, this type of rotation you have count using the stepper motor. And you have to set the specific rotation, specific rotation time, specific rotation limit. You have to set the stepper using stepper motor. Can be held at the particular position of the shaft. Ideal for many autonomous robots, require higher precision. Next one is the DC motor. The DC motor, as the name of suggests, a motor which is used DC. Direct current power can be run in both direction and speed control. Which is the use of DC motor? DC motor is used for to store the power of specific toy. Any toy they are used the some cell, and any type of power they are used. Next one is the control the speed. Control the speed, they are used for stepper motor. At the next slide, wait 2 minutes. Next screen you have to discuss. Screen is disabled, na? Snail screen is disabled.
नाही मॅम.
Okay. Disable, na? Okay. First definition of same definition, robotics. Robot is a programmable multimedia functionality manipulator, material part tools. These all are they are used for designing, manufacturing, operation. These all are involved in robotics definition. Next one is the robot function. The robot function is generate the specific motion of joint. Robot function, first function is generate the specific motion of joint. Like some example, for example, any car, you have to some motion left to right, right to right, left. These motions you have to generate the some joints. Integrate the tool and sensor. Some sensors are joined to this robot. Next one is the robot process. First one is they are follow the path of any program, like any C program. First you have, for example, addition of two number. This program you have to follow the path. First declare the variable, then addition of two number and print. This like of path is follow in robot process. Some coding is written in backside. This process is follow. Second one is the repetitive configuration moves. Like you have to any toy. Now first instruction left, go to left, then go to right, again go to left, go to right. This repetitive instruction to the robot. Then tele robotics, target move the various moves. Any robot you have to target to set the number of steps move on one chain. Next one is the key term. The key term is the first key term is the repeatability. What is the repeatability? Variability in returning to the same previously in position configuration. Next one is the accuracy. These all are already number of key terms discussed in advantages. Accuracy, variability in moving to the target in space that has not been previously through. And next one is the tool speed. The tool speed, like you have to for example, you set the target for tool speed only 5 step move. First only 5 step move, then next target is set only 10 step is move. That like a tool speed. Next one is the scrape speed. It is the rotational speed when a tool is being rotation about an axis space. Like for example, three type of axis. Assume three type of axis X, Y, Z. This axis you have to rotation only this three type, three area. Next one is the joint interpolated motion. This motion where a joint this motion where joint taking longest time to make the joint changing governs the motion, and other joint are slow in the property. in proportion, so that will join the accomplish their joint changes the simultaneously with slowest joint. Joint interpolation motion means you have to any instruction to give the robot only 5 steps to 5 steps go, then slow the motion, and then left side you have to move, and then fastly move the 5 step, then slow continuously instruction to move for the robot. Next one is the TCF. TCF stands for terminal control frame, and next one is the TCP, terminal control point. One point to another point you have to control the sequence. Some backend coding they are written here. Joint limitation. In joint limitation you have the either the software or physically hardware limits which constrains the operation range of a joint on a robot. The software limits have a smaller range than the hardware limits. Like you have to any fast coding, for example any program you have to written in your app, any C type, C++, any program is written in backend, but your software is not accept this type of coding. Your RAM is increase, RAM is some network problem, meeting is leave, 40 minutes give up again. Next one is the point to point motion. In point to point motion, characterized by starting, stopping between the configuration or as a tool move between the target. Any target is set to the specific robot and specific motion. You have to set the target x-axis to y-axis only 10 step move at one time. Point to point motion, like a easy example, x to y axis, you have to set the target to robot only 10 step move x axis to y axis at one time. Okay, next one is continuous path motion. In continuous path motion, characterized by building of motion between the configuration or target, usually with the loss of path accuracy at the target transition as the robot move between the configuration and target. Which type of configuration you have to any setup, they are installed for any mobile app is used for controlling the robot. This configuration and this target is used for continuously path motion. Interpolation capabilities, robot usually capable of both forward and inverse kinematics, both combined to give the robot the capability to move the joint space in Cartesian space. We typically refer to the move as joint, linear, or circular interoperability. The forwarded interoperability continuous, these all are similar to in one by one. The inverse means you have to any target is set, the opposite of the inverse you have to x to y is move, then repeatedly y to x is move. For example, solving a mathematical model of a robot kinematics to determine the necessary joint value to move the tools to desired target in space. This is the accomplished by frame represented vary by tired, like which type of axis, XYZ axis is attached to tool on robot, and a target frame is attached to the part of operating point in the work cell. The inverse kinematic determine the joint value required to align the tool tire with the targeted tire. which type of targeted. In this point you have to return the XY and Z axis target is written to the specific robot action. Next one is the input and output. Input and output, which consist of a on and off signal value. You have to start the robot, on the robot, then they are control and following signal response, and all sensor is working to the operation. Next one is the programming language. In first lecture I have already discussed which type of programming language are used in robot. Only C and C++ programming language are used to backend of uh, robot coding. The language and logical construct used to program the set of operational instruction used to control the robot movement and interact with sensor and other cell device. कशासाठी यूज केले जाते प्रोग्रामिंग लँग्वेज? प्रोग्रामिंग लँग्वेज they are used for operational instruction, control robot movements and interaction with a sensor. All this type they are used programming language at the back end of robot. Then multitasking ability to process more than one program at a time or input output concurrently. This process is move one or more. Any, for example, one robot is still two movement at a time. You have to any target is give at a time. Load capability, force and through capability of the robot at its tool interface. And last one is the teach pendant. In teach pendant, operation interface device used to teach save robot configuration and program simple instruction. In the robot machine, all instruction, all part, they are saved in robot system at the instructional configuration and all manufacturing data. Next one is the where used and application. Where used the robotics? Robotics are used in welding, painting, surface finishing. Next one is the aerospace and automotive industries. Next one is the light assembly, such as in micro or consumer product industries. Next is the inspection of part, underwater and space exploration. These all are the, and last one is the hazardous waste remediation. These all are the used of robot. In next one is the robot type. Robot are number of number of names to robot. The main part is RRR robot. The RRR robot is the robot design, the basic outline servo sizing. The RRR is the robot design, basic outline servo sizing and control. How to use? Only outline, servo sizing and control. The RR robot project aims at the manipulator like a system with 3 rotational degree. RR robot, they are used in 3 rotational degree of freedom to the test of variety of advanced non-linear control strategy. In RR robot, they are used the non-linear strategy to control the robot and the advantage of the variety to the robot. Next one is the RRP. The RRP is the robot axis from polar condition system. The RRP is used for robot axis from a polar condition system. The specially designed the assembly operation. The RRP system, they are used in specially designed in operating system. The RRR is the cylindrical robot and RRP is the rectangular robot. These two are the type of robots. Next one is the primary vendor of robots. Which of the primary vendor? Almost 30 to 50% robots are developed in or vendors are in Japan. First one is the Fanuc, next one is the ABB, then Panasonic is the one vendor of robot. Then Adapted, Seiko, these all are the KUKA, these all are the primary vendors of the robot. This the vendor specification, which type of range, which type of motion, which type of joint and speed to vendor specification. Next one is the repeatability and accuracy. The repeatability and accuracy, repeatability positional deviation from average of displacement. Positional device of average of displacement, like a max speed to max payload. In the accuracy, their ability to position at the desired target point within the work volume. This first one is the average depending on average, and second one is the depending on volume. These are the repeatability accuracy. It is a bad accuracy to repeatability, because bad repeatability and bad accuracy, and second one is the bad repeatability but good accuracy, because of the volume is control, volume is good to the that speed. The worm robot to stay the state condition send the identical commands to bring the robot and 3 different position in a sequence, which for example XYZ, these are the three areas, 3 axes to define the robot rotation and robot position. Measuring the reach position using 2 cameras and a optional target carried by the robot or other instrument. See the repeatability, they are assume the 3 axis, 3 position, end measurement with the commanded position, C, X, Y, Z. This is the and reach position, X, XR, YR and X, ZR. According to the statistic theory, using this formula, it means that position of robot will be 99.8% time inside the repeatability range. This formula is used for the repeatability and accuracy. See the first formula, standard deviation of repeatability, I is equals to square bracket मध्ये first bracket XR minus X bar bracket square plus YR minus Y bar bracket square plus ZR minus Z bar bracket square. And I is thereby 1 divided by n. Like this formula is used for check the position of repeatability and accuracy to the given example. The supporting technique, they are used in operating, communication, IO device, software, hardware, sensor to force and language, the programming language, ARM. These all are the supporting technology for the robot. Next is the advantages is already discussed, greater flexibility, reprogrammability, then kind. The advantages of improve the product quality, maximize the capital investive equipment in multiple work shifts. Next one is the accident reduction, reduce the hazards exposure of human worker, automation less subscriptable to work in stoppagers. Next is the disadvantages, replace the human labor, greater unemployment, significant training, a cost for both unemployed and user of new technology. Advertised technology does not allow the disclose some of the hidden disadvantages. Some network problem continuously lecture is reconnect. Only limitation is discussed and other point discussed in next lecture. The limitation of robotics assembly dexterity does not match that human beings, particular where the easy eye-hand coordinator required. Next one is the payload to robot width ratio is poor, often less than 5%.